Want to create realistic AI voiceovers for YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, or presentations? ElevenLabs offers powerful AI tools for text-to-speech, voice cloning, dubbing, and more. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs in 2026. First, open ElevenLabs in your web browser and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one before continuing. Once you're signed in, take a quick look around the dashboard. You'll find tools for text-to-speech, voice cloning, dubbing, sound effects, projects, and other AI audio features available with your account. Choose the text-to-speech tool and type or paste the text you want to convert into speech. Then select an AI voice that matches your project. Yeah, you can preview different voices before generating the final audio. Adjust the available voice settings to achieve the style you're looking for. You may be able to modify factors like stability, pacing, emotion, pronunciation, or other options depending on the selected voice model and your subscription. Click Generate and wait a few moments while ElevenLabs creates your voiceover. Listen carefully to the result, and if necessary, edit your script or adjust the settings before generating another version. Once you're happy with the result, download the audio file or continue editing your project inside ElevenLabs. You can use your generated voiceover in videos, presentations, podcasts, or other supported creative projects, depending on your account permissions. And that's how to use ElevenLabs in 2026. With its realistic AI voices and powerful audio tools, you can quickly create professional quality voiceovers for all kinds of content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.